Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to REALME GT3. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now whatever you want to in all those other ones. Finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of REALME. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. In the last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any apps, hit OK in White pop-up. And now got it in Here's some tip 1 to decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, below enter the key. Input all of those numbers in correct order before they expire and hit Receive button to connect. This one. Then wait. Close our ads, and as you can see after that my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!